Breaking news from the Supreme Court. On November 6, 2025, the court issued an emergency order that could reshape the way passports are issued in the United States. The ruling clears the way for President Trump's administration to enforce its transgender passport policy, a decision already sparking intense debate. The policy requires that passports list sex as recorded on an original birth certificate. Earlier this year, a lower court blocked the administration from implementing it, citing equal protection concerns. But now, the Supreme Court has stepped in, allowing the policy to move forward while litigation continues in Trump versus Orr. The justices who signed the order argued that displaying passport holders' sex at birth no more offends equal protection principles than displaying their country of birth. In other words, they see this as a matter of factual record, not discrimination. But this reasoning is already being challenged. Justice Sotomayor issued a strong dissent, warning that the policy raises serious equal protection concerns and could have far-reaching consequences for transgender Americans. Her words highlight the tension between constitutional principles and executive authority. This ruling is temporary, but its impact is immediate. Thousands of transgender Americans seeking passports that reflect their gender identity may now face new barriers. For many, this isn't just about travel. It's about recognition, dignity, and equal treatment under the law. From a historical perspective, this decision echoes past moments when the Supreme Court has weighed in on civil rights and executive power. It underscores the ongoing struggle over how constitutional protections apply to marginalized communities and how presidential authority can shape everyday life. It also raises broader questions. How should government documents reflect identity? And what happens when executive policy collides with evolving social norms? This is more than a passport policy. It's a flashpoint in America's ongoing debate over civil rights, equal protection, and the reach of presidential power. We'll continue to follow Trump versus Orr as it moves through the courts. If you want more deep dives into American history, criminal justice, and current events, make sure to subscribe and join the conversation below. How do you think this ruling will shape the future of civil rights in America?